What is the equation in factored form of the quadratic function shown in the graph? Well, when we look at this here, the factored form, at least most of this problem we can get roots or the zeros of the function. So what we've got is we've got x equals 2 and x equals negative 3. So I want to flip over here to my paper here. And what we just said, we have x equals 2 and x equals negative 3. So if we want to write this in factored form, what we need to do is we need to subtract 2 from both sides. And so we're going to get x, and then we're going to add 3 to both sides, and we're going to get our other factor. And then what I can recommend is we get Desmos, or look at Desmos, because there might be a number in that parentheses. But as I scroll this up a little bit, what I notice on here is that our y-intercept is at negative 6. So if we flip over to Desmos, and we type in what we just came up with there, which might be nice if you can see it, the x minus 2 and the x plus 3, and let's look at that picture. And what we see in this particular problem is the y-intercept is 0, negative 6. So we're good there from that standpoint. So when we come back over here and we fill this in, we don't have to change anything. The number out in front of the parentheses doesn't really even need to be written, but it's going to be a 1. And then be careful because it says x plus and it says x minus. So it's going to be x plus 3 and x minus 2. And I just want to check my work real quick to make sure, and I should be good.